In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test your microphone on Microsoft Teams. This guide is designed to help you ensure that your microphone is set up and working correctly, so you can confidently communicate during your meetings without any technical hiccups. Whether you're working from home, collaborating with team members, or just catching up with friends, having a functional microphone is crucial. So let's get started and make sure everything's working smoothly before your next call. First, you need to open Microsoft Teams on your device and make sure you're signed in. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your Teams dashboard where all your recent chats, meetings, and activities are displayed. Now, let's move to the next step. Look towards the top of the window for the toolbar. You should see a set of 3 dots. Clicking on these will bring up a drop-down menu. This menu offers various options and settings for customizing your Teams experience. So, once you click on those dots, look through the drop-down menu and find the Settings option. Now, click on Settings. When you open the Settings menu, you'll see various categories on the left side, including options for notifications, privacy, accounts, and more. For what we're doing today, you'll want to focus on Devices, so go ahead and click on Devices. Once you've clicked on Devices, you'll be taken to a page that shows all your available audio and video device settings. Here, you can choose which microphone, speaker, or camera you want Microsoft Teams to use. Under the Audio Devices section, you'll find options related to your sound equipment. It's important to ensure your desired microphone is selected. If you have multiple microphones, use the drop-down menu to select the one you prefer to use. Now that you've selected the correct microphone, it's time to test it out. There will be an option here labeled Test Your Microphone. This button allows you to ensure your voice is being picked up clearly by Teams. When you click on Test Your Microphone, speak into it as you normally would during a call. You should see a volume indicator that reflects the level of sound being picked up. This visual feedback will help you gauge whether your microphone is capturing your voice effectively. And there you have it. We've gone through all the necessary steps to test your microphone using Microsoft Teams. By following these steps, you can now join your virtual meetings with confidence, knowing everyone will hear you loud and clear. As always, make sure your device is updated and that no physical obstructions are affecting your mic's performance. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.